Howdy, howdy, y'all. This is like the third time I tried to do this. I start coughing and gagging, my throat getting dry. So let's see if I can do this again. Now I'm going to do a Bible kind of news kind of thing, okay? I'm just going to read you little pieces out of Revelations 13 because it has to do with what I want to show y'all, okay? Now we're going to go to Revelations 13, alright? Which we're going to be somewhere between 11 and the end of Revelations 13 here, okay? And he's talking about, and I beheld another beast coming out of the earth, and he had two horns like a lamb, and he spake as a dragon, okay? And he goes on talking about the power and all that kind of stuff. And then he goes into saying, on verse 14, and deceived them that dwell on the earth by the means of those miracles which he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth that they should make the image to the beast. Okay? And it goes on and it tells about the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast should be killed. Okay? Now here's the part I want to read y'all. Verse 16. And he caused all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of man, and his number is 666. Okay, so y'all get this, okay? Now, I want y'all to listen to this, and I'll get explaining more. Now, this is Elon Musk. He's talking to Alex Jones. Now, I don't have the video. I'm just going to have to, play it for you. Y'all listen.
Will get a neural link chip. This is a quadriplegic, and it will enable them to control their computer and their phone. And then... And Uncle was in a motorcycle accident. And it was about, and he was having seizures, about to die, couldn't even walk. He got it's not one of your brain chips, but a brain chip. And actually, he can walk and talk and is happy now. So, that's not bad. Exactly. So, the regulatory stuff on this is very intense. So, like a telepathy, you can sort of control your computer and phone just by thinking. So it's kind of like telepathy, and then the one after that will be, I don't know, we're just trying to think of a name for it, but you can think of it like blind sight. Even if somebody has lost both eyes or lost the optic nerve and is completely blind, we can actually give them some amount of sight. Ultimately, I think high resolution sight, kind of like Geordie LaForge from Star Trek. You can actually see in multiple wavelengths. You can see ultraviolet and infrared, and you can even see radar if you want. And by the way, Elon's not lying. Even in MIT papers, they've actually done tests. That's what they say. That when the sight to our bandwidth, they say these people see everything, right? Like a full spectrum. Yeah, you can have the point at which you have a camera, you can have a camera that can receive photons of many wavelengths, so you could see, even in darkest night, and you can see ultraviolet, you can see infrared, like I said, you can even see radar if you want. It would be...
Now, you guys heard all of that, okay? And you think, oh, that's wonderful. People be able to see, walk, all this stuff. But think about what's going on here, guys. They're wanting to put something in the head. They've got people scanning their hands already. They also, remember when they were pushing that, had some of that stuff had little nanobots in it, y'all. Now think about it, guys. Now I'm going to show you some pictures of Elon Musk. Alright, and before I do, I want to say, if it walks like a duck, it quacks like a duck, it looks like a duck, there's a good chance it's a duck. Okay? Now I want you to see these pictures. Alright, you're seeing those pictures? Now, you'll probably think, oh, that's just a Halloween costume. Why would somebody have a Halloween costume like that? Okay, if they're not pro that. Okay? And then leave it on their profile picture for almost a flapping years, y'all. For a whole year, y'all. He's trying to tell you something. Alright? Now, I'm not judging the man, but I'm just saying he looks like a duck, so to speak. Okay? Hypothetically. Alright? Just be warned. I know a lot of y'all folks likes Elon Musk. I'll read this to you. It says Elon Musk, December the 10th, and it does use the bad word, D-A, and he says brain. That was his comment. Dang brain, okay? And in this little cartoon says, I breathe air for you, that shows the lungs. I pump blood for you, shows the heart. I filter waste for you, okay? Now, under the brain, it says the collapse is inevitable. Buy more food and ammo. And that's what he commented on December the 10th. Is this guy really for y'all? And I know a lot of y'all like the Trump. Okay? Now, I think there is a possibility that they're being used by the wrong forces to implement stuff. Trump was used for this. Okay? He did great on the economy, but he was used for this. That's all I got to say. Elon Musk may be innocent in this. Okay? And he's being used by the opposite force. I'm telling y'all, the devil's out there. His workers are working full time. Okay? And Elon may be being used in that way and not realize it. Okay, I'm not about to judge him. I'm not the judge. God is. I'm just saying, you see this, be warned of it, and be aware. Don't put nothing in your head or in your hand. I don't care. I don't care, guys. I don't care if they could put something in my head and regrow my teeth and make them all pretty. Or if make my eyes go back 100% like they was. Or stop my hip from hurting or my lower back. No. Absolutely no. I'll deal with it. God will take care of me. He's taken care of me all this time. He'll continue. I'm not having you put something in my head so that you can program it later to tell me to bow down to a beast. Okay? Just saying. They're working this. They're working it towards a beast system. Towards you'll be taking the mark. Without even, because you accepted this free willy to have them put this crap in your hand and in your head. Alright? So I'm just telling y'all, be aware. Don't fall for it. It's just another step towards, the beast. Alright? Alright, I love y'all. Do it God's way, not your way, y'all. Or any of these other people's way. You will get to walk, you will get to see in the new kingdom if you don't take the mark. I love y'all.